You know that feeling when you boot up Ace Combat? The jet launches, the sky opens up, and for a second, your brain forgets you're sitting on a couch? Yeah, this thing made me feel that again. Because the X-Wing fighter isn't just another FPV drone. It's basically a flying cockpit, and you're inside it. Let me explain why this is messing with people's heads. From the outside, it looks like a toy fighter jet. Foam body, folding E-VTOL design, kind of innocent. But the moment you put on the goggles, something changes. You're no longer watching the aircraft. You're inhabiting it. Your head moves. The camera moves. Look left, look right, look up into the sky. The view follows instantly. No joystick tricks, no fake movement. Just your neck controlling where your eyes go. That's when it stops feeling like a drone and starts feeling like a vehicle. And the video feed? Smooth, clean, fast. We're talking full HD at 100 frames per second. No slideshow, no nausea, just pure motion. The kind that makes your stomach do that little drop when you tilt forward. Then comes the moment that really hits. One button. The aircraft tilts 90 degrees forward. VTOL mode off. Level flight on. Suddenly, you're not hovering anymore. You're flying. Top speed? Around 120 kilometers per hour. That's not cinematic speed. That's cars on the highway speed. Except you're in the sky. And somehow, it holds altitude like it knows what it's doing. You're not fighting it. You're not babysitting it. It just stays steady, like it wants you to enjoy the view instead of panic. Flywing claims up to 1 hour of flight time, which is wild for something this immersive. Long enough to lose track of time. Long enough to forget you're standing on the ground wearing goggles, grinning like an idiot. And here's where it gets even more surreal. It can track other aircraft. Radar-based formation, flying. That means you're not just alone in the sky anymore. You can fly with others, side by side, like a squadron. Like the sky suddenly became social. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. $2,000. Yeah, that price hit everyone hard. The comments are full of people begging it not to be real. Others already saying, I'm buying. Some asking if the FAA is watching this video right now. And honestly, I get all of it. Because this thing sits in a weird space. It's not a toy. It's not a vehicle. It's not quite a drone anymore either. It's an experience. One that makes normal FPV feel flat. One that turns flying into something emotional, something personal, something that sticks with you after you take the goggles off. This isn't about specs. It's about that moment when the sky stops being a background and starts being a place you exist in. And that's why people can't stop talking about the X-Wing fighter. Because once you feel flight from the inside, everything else feels like watching from the outside again.